Hello everyone, back to you with another video after I don't know how many weeks, not weeks, but days, who cares anyways. I'm gonna be doing a video off of, well, you'll see in a second. This video is off of some, characters sent by friends. I know how to defeat them, it depends on what CPU they have as well. I've only seen I haven't seen what this one is. Oh, it's this one, okay.
Where might you be? I'm going to extinguish you.
Yes, I sat in a chair when I do this.
You cannot fight this fire.
Get off the screen. Okay, first off, I don't like that CPU. No, shut up. Okay. This one's easy, CPU. And my drawing table right here. Yeah. This is a really easy CPU, not gonna lie. I hope I get this skin, cause you haven't seen my YouTube profile. You know what I mean. But yeah. Sorry I'm not talking much. I just got home from school. So I'm not really in the awake state. So I'm just trying to record this video. So I'm done with it. Can you just rush at me so I can finish this before I go to Toy Bonnie CPUs? Because yes, I'm on the hunt for the CPU. Yeah. Well, that was an easy defeat. Oh, piss. Let me try and trigger. Oh. Yes, sir. Don't tell me it's... I was gonna say, don't tell me. I don't have that many batteries anymore.
Special present just for you.
Present? I thought it was delivery.
Would you like to hear one of my copyrighted jingles?
Not copyrighted. I don't listen to copyright.
Time for one of my patented jingles.
I don't listen to copyright, so...
Are you sure you want that as your hiding place?
So apparently I figured out that you have to keep this mask on if you don't want your battery going away. Alright. Get off my battery, jeez. By the way, this was spam sent to me. So yeah. Don't expect it to be actually me fighting. The actual skins.
We should try a new game now.
Oh, almost died.
Time for one of my patented jingles.
I'm gonna keep this mask on now. Who knows what will happen. Like that. Bye. I swear, I hate when it does that because it actually does drain your battery. Dang. I don't think I see anything else. I'm gonna see if I can trigger them. Not gonna say this will trigger them. And yeah, it doesn't seem that way. So yeah. I did get the CPU at some point. I'm about to give someone this because they only got this recently, so I'm gonna send this to them and the CPU so they can get both that once they add me. I don't remember who exactly it was though. I mean, I don't have them added, I don't think. That's the problem. I'm gonna send this to I'm gonna try this. Oh, it finally works again. Recently, when I use any other slot, it will only send this slot to someone. But yeah. So I am actually trying to get this style right here, Toxic Springtrap. I was gonna make a trade, but no one actually saw the video, so I'm gonna do a surprise when I get a few more subscribers, and I'm gonna let y'all know what it is once that happens. So yeah, I don't think anything new is here, so yeah, I think they only sent it once. I want to send them something. Yeah, I'm gonna send him this, just to let him know that I'm here. So, cause he doesn't know when to send anything, and I've heard his voice before. So yeah. But anyways, if y'all wanna add me, here is my code. Last time I did this, I accidentally clicked this button right there. This one, and I changed my friend code. I forgot. You'll put it in here. I forgot it already, but anyways, yeah. Put it in here, and you press the add button, and then you'll add me. Some of these are people that I've recently added. Well, not recently. Some of these I'm about to get rid of because I'm especially still pissed from one of those videos I was making from this man. They just kept spam sending me. You know, since it's the Sizzling Summer event right now, he kept spam sending me this thing. He kept sending it to me still even after I've had it, which made me pissed. So yeah. I did not mean to press that, but I'm gonna be back. I'm back. Oh yeah. I am trying to get Shamrock still. I'm also trying to get Fireworks now since I've been sent that. Anyways. Still on the hunt for Toy Freddy, VR, and Woodland. Woodland was what I was fighting earlier. VR I haven't used in a video yet. So yeah. These are my skins. Little suits and skins. I did not buy Golden Freddy actually, if y'all are wondering. I actually bought him from, well, I didn't buy him, I actually got it from a friend who helped me out, so I thank them. So these are my CPUs right here. So I've been sent Ballora CPU. So, and I know how to defeat it. thanks to Pac-Man VR, right here, trying to help me get Shamrock. They've been sending me Ballora CPU Shamrock Freddy, and yeah. Soon I'm gonna do a Frost plush trap vid. I know it's not in the season anymore, but I still want to do it. I'm probably gonna use them all because they're easy. Because I'm trying to get the CPU if I'm lucky enough, and the skin. I don't know if you can still get the skin from that. If y'all can, let me know because I'll do a video off the skin if I do get it. And yeah, this is gonna conclude from today's video. But yeah, use my friend code, and bye.